Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Ish, and in this video we are going to take a look at what are the current feelings of the person that you are in no contact situation with. I know a lot of my followers don't like this video, but I just feel like making this one, so maybe some of you need to hear this, right? So let's get into it. Let's get into it. The very first card, like I said, somebody needs to hear this. Somebody needs to hear this. I was going to do a pick a pile of this, but I don't know, randomly I just shuffled the deck and I had heart to heart conversation coming out. Somebody wants to talk. So let's just do a collective reading and you guys let me know if I should do a pick a pile of the same thing. Pick a pile of the current feelings of the person that you are in a no contact situation with. Right? So let's just do a collective and then you guys let me know if you need a pick a pile. Let's get into it. What is this person feeling? Towards my collective, towards my viewers. So the energy that I'm picking onto, what I feel is that somebody is very disappointed with how you acted, you as in the viewers, and this person just wants to have a heart-to-heart conversation and talk to you about how you behaved and how you behaved and how you shouldn't be behaving like that in the near future. And that's why this person just wants to have like a heart-to-heart conversation with you and talk to you about the same thing. What does this person wants to say? The way I have treated you was wrong, but what I do feel now, take it how that resonates. Vice versa, the universe, the energies can switch, the energies can shift. So either this person acted and treated you very badly, very poorly, and now you want to talk to this person, or this person wants to talk to you because they feel like you treated them very badly. I wish I could understand you. So two things, either this person wants you to understand them, or they wish to understand you. Take it how that resonates. I won't say this, I won't repeat the same thing again and again, but take it how the energy shifts and suits you, whoever is you and whoever is your person. Take it how that resonates. What is the message coming up? And I will also see what is the plan of the universe regarding this situation and connection. I am blocked, either blocked from the universe or you blocked them. And if you did not block them or they did not block you, then the universe is blocking the two of you from coming together and having a conversation. I can't come to you now. Exactly. The universe is like, no, nope. I have to let you go to find myself. This can be yours, theirs, energy. Take it out that resonates. I want out. This situation is over, guys. I don't know. My storage ran out on the other phone. So I feel like the capacity of this relationship has been ended. Like it's over. It's over. That's what I feel. Like I said, this situation, this connection, I think it has reached to its full capacity. This connection cannot move forward from here. And if you still have hopes for this person and this connection to work out, I will say that you're going to hurt yourself because of your expectation, because this is not going to work out. This is just not going to work out, and it's high time when you just walk away. It is all too much. I was hurt by you. So somewhere I think both of you feel like you're very hurt from each other, and I think it's over, guys. It's over. Like the more you stretch, the more you're going to hurt yourself in the process of just expecting something from this connection and the relationship. You're not going to get anything. This person is hiding their emotions. I like, this is the second time I'm trying to shuffle and get a card. This person is trying to hide their emotions. And I just heard suffocate. So this person is trying to suffocate their emotions. If that sentence makes any sense to you. This person is trying to suffocate their emotions, is what I heard. They're trying to suffocate till it reaches the full capacity. So it's like, I'm just going to suppress my emotions as much as I can till I can, and one day I'm just gonna like explode because I can no longer hold my emotions back. This person is stalking you guys. Not a very good energy. This person is stalking you. They also stalk your spiritual this thing, your energy. So you might dust it off. Like I said, let go. This is like, let go, guys. Gulf fight. Okay, this person can put you into third party situations if not already. If there is no third party between the two of you, this person will. I can bet you on this. If you feel like this is your energy, and somehow if you feel called towards this reading, every reading is not gonna be for you, but if you feel like this was your energy, this person is going to put you in a third party situation very soon. And you're just advised you to like dust it off, like let go of it, just like this, like let go of this person and connection. This person is stalking you heavy. This person also thinks about you obsessively. Obsessed is the word, obsessed. And if there is already a third party between the two of you, the third party is obsessed with you. She or he just stalks you obsessively. Obsessed is the word. And it is unhealthy. This is not healthy at all. This person wants to put you in like a third party situation very soon, if not already. This person stalks you, and yeah, you might find yourself thinking about this person obsessively at the night time or when you're alone. It is because this person is also thinking about you. So they spiritually linger in your energy, and that's why you think about them. They linger in your energy a lot. This person. Hustling and divination abuse. Okay, so if the third party is also into spiritual stuff, she just maybe spell work is what I heard. So if you ever did spell work on this person, it backfired. Like, being very honest, it just backfired. It backfired. And if not, then this person is doing spell work on you, or the third party is going to do spell work on this connection. So spell work is going to be happening. But somebody is like spiritually very aware. One person is very much focused on their life, making the career happen, focused on the money, focused on moving forward in the future. And one is just like, I don't like this energy. Move on, guys. I mean, there is a limit to everything. This connection has come to its full capacity, and people are still like trying to like push it over and make something happen out of it. It's not going to happen. I don't like this energy. Let's see what is the plan of the universe. What is happening behind the scenes? What is the plan? Okay, not this one. Bro, this was unexpected. Okay. What is the plan of the universe about this situation? Connection. All right, commitment came twice. So I think there are some karmic cycles between you and this person that you're inquiring about and are in a no contact situation with. And this karmic cycle is ending soon. Yeah, that's why you're watching this video. That's why I was wondering when this situation and time detachment. Okay. I was wondering about the same thing, that if it does not have any future, if this situation is a dead end, then why is universe forcing me to make a video? Why did my guides push me to make a video? Is because there was a karmic cycle happening over here. There was a karmic situation that you guys were involved in with your person, with this person that you are inquiring about. And now this karmic cycle is coming to an end. This karmic cycle, this karmic contract, karmic relationship is coming to an end. We have commitment and we have 10 of cups. When I asked what is the future and what is happening behind the back and what is the plan of the universe, the plan of the universe is to make this happen. The plan of the universe is to make this relationship work out. Like you moving and pushing through all the toxicity, all the like chaotic energy, and still not giving up on this person. The universe now wants the two of you to be together and have a committed relationship. Literally. There was a cycle when one person was very untrustworthy, so the other person just needed to like hold back their feelings and then escape and detach and work on their self-love, give the relationship the time and energy, and then forgive this person. And then eventually everything is just unfolding, and one day both of you are going to be together again. And that is the reason why you're watching this video. That is the reason why you're watching this video. Let's get one more card. What does the person watching this need to know about this connection? Irreplaceable. Oh my god. Soul contract. What did I say? Soul contract. Oh my goodness. It like the universe and spirit guys just like flipped the script and they're like, okay, there was a soul contract and this person knows that you are irreplaceable. You know that this person is irreplaceable, and then eventually both of you are just going to reunite and come back together. Because the plan of the universe, oh my god, is to keep you guys together for the rest of you guys' life, and you can literally get married to this person. There is like long-term commitment coming towards you all very soon. And that's why, yeah, one person is feeling guilty, the universe is going to... So basically there is this cycle going on, where the other person will realize their mistake, you will realize your mistake, and then everything will just fall at place. And that's why this time apart was needed in order for the two of you to come back together in a perfect alignment. And that is exactly what is happening right now. And this is your sign. This is your confirmation, and that is the reason why the universe wanted me to make this video. Now we get it. All right. I was so frustrated and angry, and I was so like, why? But then now I know why. Right? So let me see if I can get anything else for you. All right. I have such a mess created over here on my table. That's why I'm just like cleaning the mess so that I can read for you peacefully. Number 4s could be significant. 444, 4 times 4, 8s could be significant. Any more messages for the person watching this? 777 could be significant. Focus on your unique soul purpose and seek guidance. Spiritual awakening, dark night of the soul. I know I messed up. I couldn't let you in. That was a trauma response. Claim your power. Love, commitment is coming towards you, and soulmates, soul contract coming twice. So this is definitely a soul contract, or there was a soul contract between the two of you, like a soul contract, so that the two of you can awaken through the experiences that the two of you had together. And that is the reason why everything happened the way it happened. Oh my god. So that was it for today's reading, guys. For personal readings, you can DM me on Instagram, or you can book through the link given in the description box below. The link for Instagram is also in the description box below. Follow me there. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Sending you so much love and light. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.